The following segment is sponsored by Segelke Financial Group. Welcome back to Fresh Living. Jeff Segelke, one of the top financial professionals in the nation, is here. Thanks for coming on our show again, Jeff.
So great to be here.
We love when you're here. Okay, so a lot of us are worried about retiring with enough money. Everyone knows that, right? But there's taxes that you have to pay too, right?
There are, sadly. I've had people ask me, hey, I don't have to pay taxes in retirement, do I? Because I've been paying them my whole life.
Yeah.
But the truth is, yes, you're still going to pay taxes in retirement. If you have any money from 401ks, IRAs, pension plans, Social Security, all of that income is taxable in retirement.
Is it possible to go tax-free in retirement, though?
It is. There are certain strategies, and there's a few strategies, ways to reduce or even eliminate taxes in retirement.
Okay, and you have 3 strategies. Tell us, can you give us one of them?
Yes. So one idea is something called a Roth IRA. This is something a lot of people have heard of, but maybe don't understand completely.
Okay.
But a Roth allows you to put money in after tax, and in retirement, when you take the money out, you get to take it out tax-free. So the huge advantage of it is you get tax-free income in retirement. You're paying no taxes for the rest of your life on that money.
Is that something you can prepare for before?
Yes. So you can put up to $6,000 a year into a Roth IRA. Also, some company 401k plans allow you to do a Roth option, which means you're putting the money in after tax.
Yeah.
And you get to pull it out tax-free in retirement. So from a long-term perspective, that is a great way to save.
That's a great option. What other, I guess with taxes, what else do you want anyone to know about it?
There's a few other things you need to know. In retirement, most income, again, is going to be taxable. Just about everything. If you have any rentals, if you're working part-time, all of that is taxable. So your tax rate, we're hoping that our tax rate's going to go down in retirement, but a lot of times it doesn't. I met recently with a couple, they're retired school teachers, and her comment to me was, we are paying more in taxes now than we paid when we were working.
No.
Yes. And the reason that is when you are working, you have a lot of deductions. Maybe you have kids and you get to write off the kids.
Or a house.
You have your house, your mortgage interest. But at this point, they're retired. They have no mortgage interest to write off. They're maybe not given as much to charity because they're living on a fixed income. They don't have the kids to write off, but you still have all that taxable income coming in from pensions, IRAs, 401ks, Social Security. So anything you can do to reduce those taxes is important, and that's why I'm offering a free guide on taxes. So anybody who calls in today and mentions Fresh Living is going to get my free guide on taxes and how to reduce your taxes in retirement. And also, if you want to speak to me, the first 10 callers who mentioned Fresh Living today get a free visit with me over the phone or in person to talk about your specific tax situation and how to reduce taxes in retirement.
Add the numbers on your screen. And what else? I mean, it is confusing, kind of like navigating where you're going to go in retirement. So what else can you go over with people when they call you?
Yeah, so we can review how should you be invested. Are you saving enough? We can look at your plan. Do you have a plan for retirement? And if not, let's create one. Let's figure out, are you saving enough? Are you doing the right things to make sure you're going to have a secure retirement?
This is the guy you want to call. Jeff, thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate it. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.